All right, we're going to check the battery on our 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. Real easy. Always best to have a pair of pliers. Should wear gloves, but just in case, but we're risking it. So you just want to loosen it up a little. Pull it out. You want to look down inside there to see what the level of electrolyte is. Be careful not to get any gunk, debris, whatever, down into the battery because it will mess things up. We're just going to pull out everything here because this battery needs to have fluid added to it. What kind of fluid do you ask? Distilled water only. Distilled water. Not drinking water, not tap water, not Perrier, only distilled water or deionized water. Now there's a little bit of dirt and all that, so we're going to swab it out really quick because we don't want that dirt down in our battery. Wetted a Q-tip and I'm just gonna go around the edge. Try not to knock anything down into the battery. If your battery is really crusty, make sure you clean everything off before you open it up. This you can't do unless you open it up. Get as much gunk away from the opening as you can because you're going to spill some water in here. No matter what you do, you're going to spill water. I just got a little sulfuric acid on my finger and it's already hurting. So be careful with that stuff. Your battery's full of sulfuric acid and it will burn the hell out of your fingers if you get it on them. It's not immediately uncomfortable. It takes a couple seconds, but yeah. Just rinse it off with water. Distilled water is just fine. All right. Just gonna top these off. Doesn't need a whole lot. See, that's why you make sure things are clean. There's a little plastic ring drops down about an inch from the top. That's as high as you need to fill it up to. Now you ask yourself, well, my battery says maintenance free. Do I need to do it? Difference is it's not that it's maintenance free, it's that it is not maintainable. You cannot do this to a maintenance free battery. Actually, I take that back. Sometimes you can because they have vents like this. These are vent caps. They have vent caps like this, only they're recessed into the battery and covered with a sticker. If you see the sticker going across here, and it's got little indentations in it, 6 of them, you'll know that you can peel that label off and remove them. Most times, not always. This battery's got 46,000 miles on it. It's 3 years old, which is generally the entire life of the original factory battery, which this one is. And voila, our battery is maintained. Now a couple things otherwise to note is the battery terminals. These are still the original factory battery terminals. They're still in good shape. They're not green. They're still metallic. Still perfect. A little oxidized, not a big deal. If your battery terminals are green, just wet them down just a little bit. Sprinkle a little baking soda on them. It'll sit there and foam and sizzle and turn green and all sorts of weird things. And then you just rinse it off. Do that as many times as you need, and your battery terminals will shine. If your battery terminals are damaged, it can eat your battery terminals away. But if they're in good shape like this, what you need to do when they're green. All right. Hope you can follow these instructions easily and have a great day. IdiotsOnTheInterstate.com.